What's up, guys? I know I've been gone for a while, but we're back. Let's get right into it. We got Daichi Miura, Blizzard, in 3, 2, 1. I love this song. I've been waiting on the visuals for this for so long. I'm mad they didn't use it during the road movie. so hard. Oh my god. Yo, I fucking love that song. I know some of y'all watching like, oh my god, he knows the words already. But of course I done heard this shit before because I watched the Broly movie and I love this song. This is my first time watching the music video, so let's just get that straight. I don't want y'all to feel like, oh, he's playing us. No. I'm not playing y'all. I really love that goddamn movie. Like, first of all, I love that goddamn movie. And I really love that goddamn song. Like, it's so... That's the song I play, like, if I'm having trouble getting out of bed and I hit the snooze button 4 times, I'm like, and I can start my day. But, go ahead and give that a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you feel like. Like, share, subscribe, comment, recommend any other videos. If there's anything else you think I should react to, let me know. Because if you don't know, Rome knows.